Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Modern architectural residence surrounded by lush greenery, showcasing a blend of sleek design and natural elements. The house features large glass windows and a combination of stone and wood materials, exuding a contemporary aesthetic. Soft, warm lighting emanates from inside, illuminating the living space. In the foreground, a minimalist wooden deck with a dark water feature reflects the surroundings, while strategically placed boulders and diverse vegetation enhance the natural landscape. Modern coastal home situated on a scenic hillside, showcasing a blend of natural materials and contemporary design. The architecture features large glass windows framed by warm wood and sleek stone, creating a harmonious connection with the outside landscape. Surrounding the house, a vibrant garden is filled with lush greenery, blooming lavender, and pops of orange flowers. A stone pathway leads to a tranquil pool that reflects the soft evening light, enhancing the serene atmosphere. The sky transitions from soft blue to gentle dusk hues, emphasizing the peaceful ambience. Modern eco-friendly house surrounded by lush greenery, featuring a blend of large glass windows and wooden accents. The setting is a serene garden with various plants and succulents adorning the facade, creating an organic feel. The interior is warm and inviting, with wooden furnishings, soft lighting, and a cozy living space visible through the windows. The overall design is hyperrealistic, showcasing rich details and vibrant colors, from the deep greens of the vegetation to the warm browns of the wood and the cool grays of the structure. A modern, minimalist house surrounded by dense, lush greenery in a tranquil forest setting, illuminated by warm, inviting orange light emanating from large floor-to-ceiling windows. The architecture features sleek lines and extensive use of glass and dark wood, seamlessly blending into the natural environment. A serene pond with floating lily pads and smooth stones reflects the house's elegant structure, while a carefully manicured garden adds to the sense of calm. The atmosphere is misty and slightly overcast, evoking a sense of mystery and peace. A modern, minimalist house surrounded by dense, lush greenery in a tranquil forest setting, illuminated by warm, inviting orange light emanating from large floor-to-ceiling windows. The architecture features sleek lines and extensive use of glass and dark wood, seamlessly blending into the natural environment. A serene pond with floating lily pads and smooth stones reflects the house's elegant structure, while a carefully manicured garden adds to the sense of calm. The atmosphere is misty and slightly overcast, evoking a sense of mystery and peace. Modern architectural homes surrounded by lush greenery, featuring a flat roof design and large glass windows that reflect the warm glow of the setting sun, evoking a serene and tranquil atmosphere. The exterior is accented with natural stone and rich textures, while the patio includes comfortable lounge furniture and a variety of potted plants. A peaceful garden area is visible with smooth stones and soft landscaping, creating an inviting, harmonious aesthetic. A serene, modern outdoor living space that embodies a harmonious blend of nature and architecture, featuring a sleek, contemporary house with large glass windows and a wooden overhang. The scene is bathed in warm, golden light of a late afternoon, casting soft shadows and enhancing the inviting atmosphere. The garden landscaping includes lush greenery, carefully arranged flower beds with vibrant orange flowers, and well-placed boulders among pebbled pathways. A cozy, oversized couch adorned with soft cushions sits on a wooden deck, creating a perfect relaxation spot. A modern three-story house immersed in nature, showcasing an architectural blend of concrete and glass. The exterior is adorned with lush greenery and climbing vines, creating a seamless integration with the surrounding landscape. The setting is tranquil, framed by mountains in the background under a soft twilight sky. Warm golden light emanates from large floor-to-ceiling windows, hinting at the cozy interiors that feature natural wood elements and minimalist decor. The foreground is filled with vibrant autumn foliage, adding a burst of orange and yellow hues to the scene. Modern architectural masterpiece set in a serene forest environment during twilight. The house features a sleek, angular design with large glass windows that reflect warm golden lights from inside, creating a cozy yet elegant atmosphere. The exterior is a harmonious blend of white concrete and natural wood accents, contrasting beautifully with the lush greenery of the surrounding trees. A tranquil reflecting pool runs alongside the house, mirroring its modern lines and the vibrant sky above, filled with soft blues and hints of orange. Lush landscaping with subtle path lighting and diverse plant life enhances the overall aesthetic, inviting a sense of peace and sophistication. Modern concrete architectural design blending with nature, 2 levels with large glass windows revealing a warm, inviting interior, lush greenery surrounding the structure, tranquil reflecting pool in the foreground, earthy tones of concrete contrasted with vibrant greenery, soft ambient lighting illuminating the interiors, serene outdoor setting with tall trees and subtle landscaping. Minimalist furniture visible through the glass, emphasizing harmony between modern architecture and natural elements, hyperrealistic aesthetic, capturing the tranquil essence of a luxurious retreat in a forested environment. Modern house in a lush tropical forest setting, featuring an open concept design with large glass windows and a dark metal frame, blending with nature, showcasing smooth stone accents, warm ambient lighting, and luxurious outdoor seating arranged on a wooden deck surrounded by vibrant greenery, details of potted plants and tropical foliage, with hints of soft natural light filtering through the trees, capturing a serene and tranquil atmosphere, hyperrealistic style with rich earthy tones and
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4 Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.